You've made a very broad argument here at times, and it might be good, it might not be good, but let's focus on what's actually at issue in this particular case. What are the ages of the children who were involved here?
These books were approved for pre-K, which in Montgomery County can start as early as 3 if they're going to turn 4 that fall.
And it goes up to what?
The books that we've all talked about go through grade 6.
All right, so you're talking about children maybe in the age of 5 to 11 or 4 to 11. Now, would you agree that at a certain age, students are capable of understanding this point, which probably is not a point that can be understood by a 4 or 5-year-old, and that is that my teacher, who was generally telling me that certain things are right and that certain things are wrong, isn't necessarily going to be correct on everything. It is possible for me to disagree with him or her on certain subjects. Would you agree that there comes a point when a student is able to make that distinction?
That's right, and many of our clients' objections would be diminished as their children got older. But here we're in a situation where Montgomery County's own principals objected that these books were inappropriate for the age, that they were dismissive of religion and shaming toward children who disagree. The board itself withdrew 2 of the books for what it said were content concerns because it finally agreed that what parents and its own principals were saying was accurate.
Yeah, and one final factor that may distinguish this particular case from some of the others that you have been asked to express a view about, and you did touch on this, is the fact that it concerns sex and gender, and that the Maryland legislature itself has recognized these subjects raise special concerns and has provided for an opt-out from the health classes where these matters are discussed.
That's right, and currently in Montgomery County you can opt out from the very same instruction during health class, but then you're required to stay during story time.
All right, thank you.